What's the word? What's the word? I didn't catch these shorts, I'm not gonna lie. But I was right about this though, like rejection block right here. Tap into it. Um, Two wick. Sweep these highs right here. Fair value gap right there. Not gonna lie, I wasn't paying attention. Sight, I did catch those shorts, my boy. Um, um, yeah, so I did enter off of here. And I I caught like right here, around here. So W day today for me. Trading. Let's see if I can enter like off of paper trade. But yeah, I guess I was right about being bearish today because of this. I want to see I want to see go down here. I'm not gonna lie. I want to see price come all the way down here. Maybe price come all the way down here, and then all time highs. It's just it's too early for it's too early for all time highs. Or we could just consolidate. Look at the monthly candle. Yeah, daily. I hate the thing I hate is I really, really hate the fact that I can only withdraw $5,000 after 5 days. Like it actually, it's terrible. Like I'm not gonna tweak about it though. So it is what it is. Um, for shorts, I think we're too discount for shorts, so it's probably best if we target a 101 right now. Um, Unless if we have a really, really solid day and could come all the way down here. But I think we're too in discount to be shorting the markets right now, but I'm gonna try this. Maybe take out that low and then start reversing back to the upside. I want to start using live capital, but I'm too scared to like enter because I know it's like real money, right? I did turn um it was throughout September or October. September through October, I turned $1,000 into $25,000 using live capital, but I don't know. I feel like I got not lucky, but like it's really weird to like explain, you know? But every time I was in a trade in October, September using live capital, I was shitting my pants. I was scared to lose that money. But on prop firms or like funded accounts, it's like it's not my money, so I could go in full five contracts. If I lose, I'll just pass another 50K account and like turn it into like another $50,000, stuff like that. But yeah, mm, I I really hate I really hate using live capital, but I feel like I should. So but right now, I don't like this speed, but I don't know. Yeah, this screams shorts. I'm not gonna lie. Like this is ES. You know, we inverted this. You know, probably people went long here, but they probably didn't see this like rejection block right here or like order block. That's why sometimes when you're like in a trade, um, and you figure out like your bias and things like this. Hold on, where's my arrow? Okay, so sometimes you'll be maybe in a trade like this, right? You pull back, break structure, and then you see, and you want to see take out this high, but we don't. We just do this and then start dumping again. That's because we had a break a structure right here, and now you're in a downtrend, right? Or well, break a structure and like liquidity sweep, like buy side or sell side right here. We took out a huge like we took out a huge um like order where the market really wanted to go. So like I said right here, like we had this high, this is our new protected high. Break a structure right here. So high or low, or high. Wait, this and then this, but we swept out these highs right here because this is our protected high right here. So we could okay, so a little bit more complicated, but higher high, higher low, higher high, break a structure, right? Wait, let me redo that. Mm, okay, like this, right? And then you have these like small little pullbacks, right? Small little pullbacks, and then a good reaction off of here. This is because you have to have some type of PD array in here, whether it be like a fair value gap, a order block right here, whatever you trade, right? A rejection block, and it has to be in deep premium too. Like um so like right here, this is discount and premium. You don't want to be selling in the discount. You want to be selling in the premium right here, like kind of like supply and demand. Now here, this is different because, well, this is like pullback, pullback, and then going down. So that's why it's kind of different. But even then, like if you take out this pullback or whatever, here, do this. Um, okay, so like this, I want to see like sweep this high and then enter off of like here maybe, and then start dumping. But I don't know. This trade just made sense. It's kind of it's kind of weird to explain, but that's for like future references. But again, like focusing right here, we have like some type of PD array. We have a rejection, right? Right here. We sweep out these highs. We sweep out these highs. This is internal range buy side and buy side, right? Um, and then we dump again. For example, we saw it here, like, um, right, we changed breaker structure, um, tapped into this fair value gap right here. It's already bearish. I mean, this price action is kind of bearish for me, right? Um, so I'm just gonna wait for the pullback, right? Rejection and rejected here, so we're gonna sweep internal range, and then dump, you know. We could have been long in here, but again, we're bearish. So yeah, I hope that made sense. I'm not really that good of explaining things. You kind of just have to like see, but like yeah. Also this is good because like accumulation, manipulation again, more accumulation, manipulation. Like 2022 model is where you accumulate, take out one side, take out the other side, tap in, and then dump. And we had that here. But yeah, um, hopefully that made sense. And now just wait till this hits take profit or stop loss. I'd say go break even because we took out these lows right here. So now this is like internal range internally, this is our protect die. And until we like inverse something or see some type of pullback, you know, then this still is not our lower low. Damn, that is scary to see. Hello? Okay, yeah, there you go, there you go. And that's how you make $10,000. Yesterday, I couldn't trade, but it was like a good small little short. Today, I did trade on my funded accounts, caught like all the way down here. Um, well, on one of my funded accounts, and on a paper trade from here to here. And yeah, it's kind of it for today. Hope it was educational a little bit. Not again, not really that good of explaining things, but yeah, hopefully it made sense a little bit.